Good morning, coffee lovers. Welcome to a coffee video. Today we're going to be making this almond dark chocolate iced latte. So if you want to see how to do it, you want to see how to make it at home for yourself, save yourself a few quid by not having to buy it in the coffee shop, watch this video and see how to do it right now. Ingredients for this one, for this iced coffee, all we need is almond milk. We need chocolate sauce, so this is a dark chocolate sauce. You can get it from your local supermarket, wherever you fancy. We need some ice, which I've got in the shaker. Obviously we need our glass and we need our espresso shot, and then we put it all together and we make our almond dark chocolate iced coffee. So, grinding 18 grams of grind, and on the Sage Smart Grinder Pro, it's a setting 6, that's for a medium roast. It's a medium dark. Okay, I'm just going to use the top to go on top of the portafilter. Okay, so I'm going to level, I'm going to tamp. I'm going to wipe, pop the group handle on. So I'm weighing the espresso. So what I need to do is pop my espresso cup on the scales and then just zero that down. So it's showing me 0 grams. I'm going to press the program function and the double shot. I'm doing this because I'm weighing it. The downside of this machine is that it doesn't just have a run button, so I can't run to a shot weight. It is expecting me to program. So when I press the program function and then the double shot and I'm watching my scales, I can get the right weight, which means I can get the right ratio for a good quality espresso. Gold standard would be 36 grams, 18 in, 36 grams out. There we go, so I've landed on 37, which is well within acceptable limits. Okay, so let's get this put together. So I'm going to put some of the ice in the glass. There we go. And then some ice for shaking. So it's a shaken espresso. So I'm going to pop my chocolate sauce in. I'll save a bit of chocolate sauce for the glass. Maybe we'll just drizzle a little bit round the outside of the top. Just for decoration. And we'll pop our espresso straight in. I'm going to give it a shake. I'm going to try and make sure all that chocolate gets mixed in. Okay, can you see how dark that's gone now? It's incredible. So we'll take the lid off, we're going to pour our espresso in. Beautiful. And then we're going to get our almond milk, not forgetting to give it a shake before we use it. And we're just going to top it up with almond milk. Okay, so I'm going to dive straight in with the taste test, but first of all, before I start tasting this, I'm going to give it a mix. Forgot to get a spoon. Note to self, buy a latte spoon, it's a bit longer, save dipping the ends of my finger in. Perfect. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. The taste of the espresso, when you create a perfect espresso, or as close to perfect as you can, and then you start to add things like dark chocolate, which has got kind of a bitter sweet flavour, and the bitter sweet flavours of the espresso as well mixed together, especially with the nutty taste of almond milk, gives that incredible iced latte flavour. Yeah, really, really, really good. Probably cost me about £1 roughly, so maybe $1.25 if you're from America, but yeah, perfect. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a subscribe to see some more, to keep updated. Give us a like and definitely comment and let me know how you got on making your almond milk dark chocolate iced latte.